Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a affordable luxury haul featuring FashionKicks. So if you guys don't know who FashionKicks is, they basically do affordable luxury item at a fraction of the cost. It's basically DH Gate on crack. Okay, they have all your luxury items for less, and let me just show y'all. I don't want to talk no more. Let's get into this video. And thank you to FashionKicks for collabing with me with this video. All the stuff by far meet and exceeded my expectations. I got the Von Cleef bracelet, love bracelet. I got the Von Cleef bracelet, and this is how it looks, and they actually have it in different colors. I'll definitely put a close-up of it somewhere in this video, but I got it in the black and gold. And if you guys have been living under a rock, everybody and their mom want one of these, and I think one of these bracelets actually go for the original price of like $5,000. So go on FashionKicks and get you your Von Cleef for fraction of the price, and it looks absolutely amazing. It comes in the box just like this, and it also comes with a Von Cleef bag, which I will also show you guys in a close-up. Then a next thing is I got a Cartier love ring, and it is in gold, and I got this in a size 19. I am normally a ring size finger of 8.5, and it fits perfectly. I would definitely do close-ups on inside shots of all the items because they look amazing. And literally I can't tell the difference between this and the real one. It looks that good, and it also comes with the original packaging. And then for the last and final jewelry item, I got the Cartier, and this is the Cartier love bracelet, and this is how it looks. It comes in the box with Cartier, and Cartier, you know it, all the girlies, all the luxury girlies have this bracelet, and it comes with the thing to open and close the bracelet. So absolutely amazing. Love, 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 love. And then I'm gonna go into the only purse that I got. So this is how it came. It came in this nice big box, and I'm keeping these boxes, okay? They look amazing. Okay, it's giving luxury. They also come with a dust bag, and it came packaged amazingly, but I took majority of the stuff out of this packaging already because of video purposes. It come with the Saint Laurent Paris card also, and I got this bag right here. So this is the Saint Laurent envelope bag in black. As you guys can see, the hardware is in black, and then the handles is also in black. and I love the size of this. If you guys watch my favorite things from summer 2022 video, I have another black bag like this, but it was from Fashion Nova, and I think this black bag is about to be my favorite black bag. It looks amazing, and it looks like it fits a lot, and I love the quality. The hardware is super amazing. The quality of the leather is super amazing, and it has multiple compartments in here. So let me open it so you guys can see it. It has multiple compartments. It has one here, it has a middle compartment, and then it has a back compartment. And the back also have a zipper that you can put stuff in. So this bag is about to be my everyday go-to bag when I'm going out. I love that for me. I'm just trying to close it. Got is this. So it comes in the Gucci box, and here are all the bags. So Cartier, like I was saying, all the jewelry items came with small bags. So like if you bought this on their website and you were gifting it to someone, it comes with the bags. So I actually got a Gucci scarf, and this is how it looks. It's kind of like a nice blue color, kind of like match my shirt a little bit. And I was thinking it also comes with the Gucci tag right here, and I was thinking like it could give like it could give Paris Bay or Vacation Bay or something, which is why I got it. And you can also wear it regular around your neck, but you guys will see how I style all this stuff, because I'm actually going to do a styling clip and include all of these items. So I got this Gucci scarf. Where's the lid? Oh, right here. And then let's get into shoes, because I got the majority of the stuff that I got is jewelry and shoes. So I got me my Hermes Paris. Once you see this orange box, you already know it's Hermes. So this is how it comes. It comes with the Hermes Paris card. It comes with the dust bag. I love how all this stuff comes with the dust bags. And then you see how it comes packaged. It comes packaged like the original thing, which is I love a lot. And this is how the shoe looks. It has the Hermes Paris embossed with their logo and everything on here. And I got white because I don't have a white slippers that I can just throw on and go, and I feel like these did the trick. I got these in a woman's size 11 and they fit great. I was worried that because of how the front leather portion is fixed, it would not fit my wide feet, but these actually fit amazing. And I'm glad I got a size 11. And I got a size 11 just because of how narrow the front portion of this slippers is, and I already know with my wide feet I need to size up, and I size all the way up to 11, and I'm glad I did. They fit amazing, and you guys will see them on and all of that. It also comes with the Hermes bag, which I love. I'm gonna put these back. And the next thing I got is the Yeezys 350s. So this is how it looks. It comes in the original Yeezy box, and it also comes with the bag. And this is how they look. I actually got these in a I got these in a woman's size 9, and I definitely could have sized down and gotten a 8.5, because the material that makes these shoes, the top portion of these shoes, is super duper stretchy. So I'm saying if you're gonna get these, definitely go a half size down, even if you have wide feet, because these are stretchy. These are like a half size too big. I don't know what it is with all my sneakers that I've gotten this summer, but all of them are like a half size too big, because I be thinking my feet is bigger than it is. I think these are like one of the most comfortable sneakers I ever had, and I love the lace detail. I love how the lace is in the fabric. It definitely gives luxury. Last but not least from your girl is another Saint Laurent Paris box, and this is heels. So this is how it comes packaged. It comes with a dust bag, and then it comes with the heels. It actually comes with the heels in clear bag. I also have the Saint Laurent paper in here, and it comes with extra legs, which I'm going to keep. Let me take out the other one. And this is how they look. They're like in a nice bronzy gold color. I don't have any gold heels, which is why I got these ones, because I feel like these are going to be like a statement piece with whatever I choose to wear them with. And then these are the heels. If you know any of the fashion luxury girlies, they love the Saint Laurent heels like this, and absolutely amazing. And it's super sturdy. The heels are not wobbly, they don't look lean or anything like that. These are giving. And this is in a size 40, a US 10, and it fits okay. I definitely could have gotten an 11. Like I said, like when I have slippers or heels that are more narrow at the foot, I like to get an 11, because I feel like they're going to be, for me personally, they're more comfortable and my toes are not slipping off or anything like that. But these will do. So if you're getting these, I would definitely say go about 2 sizes up. If you have more of a wide feet, it will give you some wiggle room and some comfort. but I'm going to walk around in these and break these in before I actually wear these out. So all in all the items that I got from FashionKicks is absolutely amazing. I love every
when you gonna stop playing? That bitch, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. That bitch, I could be a fantasy. Tell me how you want it. 3, 2, 1, and I'm on it. Feel good, don't it? Good shit, you in the money. I'ma bust it on the floor like honest. Just being honest. Choose a mini made, but can't do it one mini made. Not a side or main. I'm the only one he entertain. Spending his mind in the bank. I like what I see. Yeah, boss like you need a boss like me. Ready from the street, so he move low key. Tryna rock that mic like karaoke. On the count of 3, bad, get money. Broke to the love when I want it. I'm the one they love to hate, but they can't get past. Pretty face, no face, and a big old bag. That bitch, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like
single piece. Like I said, I will be wearing them out. Love them. They lived up to the hype, they live up to the expectation, and I absolutely love working with them and collabing with them for this video. I also hope you guys like the portion of me styling each item. So with that being said, tell me what your favorite item is and what you're going to pick up or what you're looking at to pick up, because the days of like DH Gate is over. FashionKicks is the way to go. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will leave the link to everything in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Deuces.